Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Lazada. At ang sender natin ay si Yebar Auto Parts Center.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So bali ngayon guys, i-unbox natin kung legit si seller or hindi.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Order ko dito guys, yung lock para sa battery ng e-bike, yung sa compartment. So ito yun guys. So guys, si seller is legit. May kasama siyang dalawang susi. So guys, the seller is legit. Thank you for watching.